So in the last video, we did some sea moth and cyclops mods, but I also highlighted an issue with the lazy hoarding mod, which, interestingly enough, I saw it as the game was loading one time on the net save or load that the names were there right as the game first loads, and then something wipes them out. And with my testing, I can only come down to the determination it's some bug with lazy hoarding itself, which is why today I got a different mod to test out. And that mod is the FCS Data Storage Solutions, which actually is 3 mods because you gotta have certain prerequisites for it. So we've got the Altera Hub and the production mod also included in the download for this. And unfortunately, if you want to get this download right now, it is for Patreon supporters only. So I will link to the FCS Patreon below if you want to throw them a few dollars each month and get access to these when they come out. But we're going to do some stuff with the data storage today. And we do have some new stuff like base manager module rack, base manager display. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and throw the base manager display right here. And we got, okay, so connected devices. I guess that'd be like miners or such. Installed modules, fault warning. Okay, power use. Let's take a look here. Interior lights, exterior lights. Let's go. Oh, yeah, I saw it. Oh, yeah. Could be a little quicker than only coming in and having to do that, but okay. Bulkhead open, water filtration, scanning rooms. I don't have that built yet. We got days past. We got details on power. This is, oh yeah, work units, connections, stuff like that. Okay, so we've got all sorts of new things going with this. Then we have a connection grid extension. Okay, not again, you know, this is like a beta. It's not finished, so you see there's stuff missing. But we got our other stuff like the server racks and the terminal, which I'm going to need. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got antenna, of course, because you got to communicate between them. Materials showcase demo, okay? And drone port. Oh, drone port I can build. I'm assuming, yeah, I got to build the drone port. You know what? Let's just go ahead and do that because I have the supplies for it. I mean, drone port pretty much to me still says this is where the drone drops off your goods once it ships it. And now that looks different. But we got to also still go to F2, all right? And let's see, I got to create an account. So I'm not sure what did it, what mod's doing this, but when I hit Y, I get a gun disabled equals true message. And I'm not liking that because now it's saying that I've apparently disabled the gun. Okay, I cannot find what the mod is that's doing the gun disable thing. So before I save and the gun's already disabled and it's just cheating, I'm going to take out some mods. And Y is still doing gun disabled true. Why is that? What is doing? And why is... Okay, and X apparently does auto walking now. Oh, gun disabled false. Okay, so Y, gun disabled true, U, gun disabled false. All right, so at least this time, it's not gonna mess things up. I don't know what mod's doing that though. I can't find any of them that list that in the configuration. All right, creating my account, got my card, and yeah, okay, so let's see what I can get. Okay, so we got that, which it says I could buy them, but I also got it where I could just make them. Remote storage, yeah, okay, we got those. So I need a lot of credits, and I would assume that I have some way to generate credits, or I'm supposed to just, like, am I supposed to just take on debt that I can't pay down? Well, I found a bug already. If you click on the shipment tracker, you don't have any shipments, apparently. It decides not to go backwards. I cannot get back out now. Yeah, that's... Yep, goes right back to that. Okay, that's a problem. Now I can't order anything. I think I've broken the whole thing, because now I can't click anything over here either. Details doesn't work. The lights don't work anymore. I've seemed to have... Okay, now it works. Okay. Okay, well, I didn't do anything. Okay, there, yeah, for some reason the text was like jumbled together on the other one. Like, see there, it didn't go away. Now it's like doing that. Maybe that got me out. Okay. So workaround, open the little base manager console and it at least gets you to that. Okay, it still has them in the thing. Buy all. It's not giving me the option to buy anything. What am I missing? I don't have like an unlock or anything showing. I've already got access to everything, so I assume I don't need to have to go scan something to unlock it or anything. You know what? I don't want to pay debt. I don't have any debt. It's not giving me, you know what? Hey, let me check this because I did put the card away. It usually didn't matter because I didn't have to have the card on my person. But, nope, not making a difference. It's not letting me order anything. I'm under the impression that they probably did not change the location of the little hub thing that we have to go to in order to get this all done initially. So I'm hoping I can remember well enough where it was and find it from here. I want to say I remember it being close to this spot. Like just right over there. And hello, Mr. Bone Shark. Yeah, I want to say I feel like it was just right over in this area. Like extremely close to that little precursor spot. And I'm not finding it, so it's feeling like that's not implemented in this beta version of the storage ones, which means there's a problem. Why is my drone not shipping out with my stuff? Okay, last resort. I'm gonna see if this command will work. Give credits. That did not act like it did anything. No credits. Okay, so let's try give credit 500,000. There we go. All right, so give credit, not credits, and 500,000. All right, so now I've got money. Still won't let me buy it. Something's not working right. I don't know what would be interfering with this because, I mean, it's working other than the actual shipping stuff to me. I can build things, you know, all that kind of stuff. I just can't order anything. And I gave myself credits. So, like, you know, I should be able to order some stuff. That's not working. You know what? Let's just take out that. See if I can just buy. Nope. Can't buy just the floor rack. Okay. So if I go here and I say, you know what? Buy the terminal. Just the terminal. And nothing. So it's like the drone thing isn't being detected. Maybe drone port. Yeah. So like right there. Okay, look, drone port. Maybe I have to buy the drone port with it. No. Well, I built the drone port. So why aren't you working? Well, I turned off the tweaks and fixes mod because that's the only other one that I could think might have anything to do with it because I installed it for the lazy hoarding. And I just noticed now my lockers have lost all their naming things again. So tweaks and fixes gave the lockers their names. So maybe it's something between it and lazy hoarding that was messing things up because you had to have tweaks and fixes for lazy hoarding. Okay, so possibility that was causing the problem. One terminal and one set of one rack. So yep, cannot buy. Give credit. There we go. Buy, still cannot buy. Okay, so it is not tweaks and fixes. That's the problem. You know, I'm just gonna go ahead and build another hub or drone port. I want to figure out what's going on with this because this, oh, hey, open settings, not connected to base manager. Well, that is interesting since it was not saying that before. Oh, see, now it's gone. Okay. So once you connect it to this, that goes away. So it seems like that would be Okay, if this is connected right, I should be able to order stuff. Okay, back to the normal SML helper. Tweaks and fixes is now showing up. Of course, the names are gone again. That may actually be part of the tweaks and fixes thing rather than just the... Oh, yeah, unless that's buried in the floor a little bit. Okay, so I really don't know what to do as far as the FCS mods. I think there's something that is not triggering right. Or that it's not showing for me, because I'm not seeing any way to make money with this. Like, I should have some kind of thing to start generating money by, you know, the Orcasum or something like that. I don't see that happening. Maybe it is something I was supposed to go find and they moved it to a different spot, but there's no beacons for it, so I don't know where to go. That is disappointing. I mean, even being a beta, not the full set of FCS mods, missing like the production stuff and everything, I was still looking forward to at least having these storage solutions, which unfortunately does not seem to be working, at least as far as the bulk of it, where I can order stuff to build. I mean, I need the floor server rack. I can't order the floor server rack. It won't ship anything to me. So yeah, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to just keep playing with this. Maybe there'll be some update by the time this goes live from FCS to fix this, or maybe right after this. But there's definitely something not loading correctly, which means I can't use it. But you know what? It's fine. I'm just going to deal with my storage the best I can. Yeah, I can see these are empty, and that one's not empty. It doesn't tell me how many there are in it because I took the storage info mod out. But I think, you know, the problems I have with the names on these and the lazy storage is just... I'm not going to worry about lazy storage. I'll just dump stuff in at random wherever I can find a spot until we get the storage solutions working from FCS.